Hey, how you doing? Chuck here with Sound Survival Tactics, and in this video I'm going to be going over the Wing Chun stance. This is the basic stance that forms the basis of the art Wing Chun. And real quick before I get into that, if you have any questions about Wing Chun or self-defense in general, or any other questions, or you just want to say hi, let me know in the comments below. And now for the Wing Chun stance, you're going to want to stand feet side by side, kind of at attention here, arms down at your side. You bring your arms up to just below your chest here, and you want your shoulders nice and relaxed. You don't want to squeeze your shoulders like this. Nice and relaxing your shoulders. And this is chamber for your fist. Okay. And then next you're going to bend at the knees. Okay. From here, you're going to kick out your toes. You're going to kind of sit back on your toes or on your heels, kick your toes out like this. All right. So it feels really funny. Now kind of a pigeon-toed duck thing going on. Now you're going to press on the balls of your feet and kick your heels out. There you go. And they should wind up in a 60-degree position. Okay, knees still bent. Now the final piece, and probably the most important part, is adduct. Your adductor muscles here in between your legs. You're gonna kind of, like if you think about engaging your core, when you're doing core exercises, it's the same feeling. You're gonna engage your adductor muscles, right? And this is your adductors. This is what's gonna link your upper body to your lower body, as well as allow you to grip the surface that you're standing on. So you kind of shuffle side to side. I'm using my muscles, my adductor muscles on the inside to pull my legs together, kind of gripping the floor here. What that also does is after you get to this position, if you don't have your adductors engaged, notice that your rear will kind of stick out here. So engaging your adductors will straighten out. You want a flat spine, right? Tail goes into the floor, and you're redirecting directing your energy into the ground, as well as being able to, once you learn more about it, draw energy from the ground as well and out through your punches. So since it's kind of far away, I'll use my hands here to demonstrate what the feet should look like. So on your heels, toes go out, balls over your feet, kick out your heels, and you'll end like this, kind of a 60-degree position for your feet. Good adduction, and that's the Wing Chun stance. Now, future videos, I'll get into turning. Right, this is turning. And then if you want to practice your guard, this is the guard. This is after you set up in your stance. This is your basic guard here. Forward hand, like this. Let me get closer here. So, forward hand is man sao. It's a seeking hand, inquisitive arm, seeking hand. All right. This rear one is called wu sao. This is protective hand. Here, wu sao. Right, switch. This becomes man sao. This becomes wu sao. That is your basic guard and basic Wing Chun stance. Okay, practice that. Let me know what you think. I'll leave a link below to my other videos showing you, demonstrating the punch as well as the chain punch. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you know somebody that's interested in Wing Chun, share it out, as well as hit the subscribe button for future videos. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.